Our work with 3D photography came out of pure fascination, a uniquely engaging way to showcase a physical object in the virtual world, blending the aesthetics of product photography with the immersiveness of video content and direct user participation. Each gaze at a 3D image is a small act of co-creation. The viewer can choose the angle, the focus, and the details to zoom in, going beyond a mere passive exposure to visual material. With this in mind, we as producers have to pay close attention to every single detail, armed with great patience, expertise, and utmost care for the object we record. We love this challenge and have the perfect crew to tackle it. Diverse backgrounds of our team members, ranging from filmmaking to engineering, lead to innovative strategies for capturing an object. Shooting in one take results in an organic and tangible feel for the viewing audience. The choice to do as much as possible in camera is highly visible in the flow of the images and radically reduces post-production time. Partnering with Cappasity was a clear choice. The combination of superb image quality, smooth playback, and realism with the ease of use for creators, integrators, and end users is exceptional. With 3D images, the products come to life before your eyes.